Smarta and her magic bag.
Ow! How did I fall like this?
Oh, Smarta! What happened? Did a dragon attack you? Or did a hurricane start and you fell? Oh, perhaps it was an evil witch cursing you.
It wasn't a witch. I just had to pay more attention to the road.
What a pity! You had such a good scooter.
Maybe it can be fixed.
Bob! Bob! Come here, quick!
Hello, girls. Do you need help?
Yes. Can you fix a scooter?
Easy. This is a job for a real man.
How's it going?
Well, I don't have enough tools. You need to take it to a repair shop.
But where?
There's a mall on the next street with many repair shops.
Do they fix wheels here?
No! This is a watchmaker. Here, a person specializing in clocks fixes broken or malfunctioning watches.
Maybe here they can fix Smarta's scooter.
No! This is a shoe shop. Here, a cobbler fixes shoes and boots, sandals and slippers if they are torn.
And what is this? I can't tell.
This is a sign in Spanish. We need to ask Taki to translate. Taki!
Privet, hello, hola, bonjour. I am translating everything around. I'm Mr. Talkie, your dictionary. Come on, say your word aloud.
Talkie, what does this say?
La tintoreria. La tintoreria is dry cleaning in Spanish.
Thanks, Taki.
My pleasure.
Maybe here they can fix the wheel. No!
At the dry cleaners, they clean very dirty clothes or delicate fabrics that are not easily washed using special chemicals.
Will no one fix the wheel?
I remember. Today, Rob went to his father's auto repair shop.
Hello! Wow! Did you crash? Let me fix your scooter. I'll wipe my hands off first. Come on. Here we fix cars. The repair shop has many tools.
Rob, is it fixed?
Like new.
Thank you, Rob.
Ha-ha! Hooray, hooray, hooray! Let's ride around.
Who's next?
Stop!
Spotty, where are you going?